Yes, I mean, it's obviously disappointing because one prefers to win. On the other hand, they've been extremely critical of the News of the World, of the newspaper. They can completely see that it's outrageous, but they've based their decision on their belief that there could be difficulty, if the law comes in that I want, for serious investigative journalism. On the one side, you've got the individual's right to privacy. On the other side, you've got the public's right to know information which they need to know. That balance can be very difficult. All I'm saying is that the balance should be made by a judge, an independent judge, and not by a tabloid editor who wants to sell his newspaper. The first thing is we will have to look at whether we can get leave to appeal, and we're discussing that with the lawyers when we look at the judgment in detail. And of course there remains the political pressure, because the only reason that we haven't got that law in this country already is that, at the moment at least, Parliament and the government are so nervous of the Murdoch press empire. He has just enormous influence, and they will not do something that will bring them massive criticism from particularly Murdoch, but also Dacre and so on. So I think this will go on and on. I'm certainly not going to give up, absolutely not. I think it's in the end a bad day because the serious newspapers would not have been affected by the law that we want, because they always approach the subject first anyway. And it gives a little bit more license to the gutter press, which is one of the worst features of public life in this country. And I think sooner or later something will be done about it, but unfortunately today wasn't the day.